If you really planning borrowing money to fund your business, you will also want to build your equity financing to balance out the amount you owe to other. You can do this by selling interesting in your company, which will help ensure you have to healthy level of debt versus equity. We know that figuring out how to finance a startup business can feel overwhelming, especially when traditional business loan require 1 or more year in business. To help, we have put together a list of 10 alternative funding options for a startup, including a startup with personal financing and credit line, reaching out to friends and family. Third, applying for a business loan. For catching the attention of an angel investor, pitching your startup to venture capitalists. 6. Hosting crowdfunding campaign. 7. Joining a startup incubator. 8. Seeking out government grant and subsidies. 9. Applying for micro lending. 10. Collecting pledge from peer-to-peer lending. To find out the best financial model for you, read through the next section. First, start with personal finance and credit line. A personal credit line is a loan you take out with a maximum limit for a lender like a bank. You can then access to fund in this line of credit at any time in amount that fit you need, as long as they don't exceed the maximum you agreed to. This can be great option if you start or new business need cash fast to pay for a everyday operation. However, if you do decide to take out a line of credit, you will have to make timely minimum payment with interest before you shy away from this option. Remember that sometime you will need to have skin in the game in order to advance your company. Credit line are the easiest way for small business owners to get a startup fund as long as they have a reliable source of income, a good credit score, and a positive credit history. Keep in mind that you can also get cash fast by borrowing from your. Reach out to friend and family. In the early stage of your startup, finding the right funding option can be stressful. Sometimes the best option is to get finance from your friend and family. Borrowing from them can often mean paying lower interest rate than compared to a bank. This can help reduce your overall debt level so you can put more cash back into your business. However, it is important to be aware that conflict can arise over loan with friends and family. Third, apply for a business loan. Another more straightforward option of financing your startup is to get a small business loan. If you decide to get a bank loan, you will need to get organized and know your credit history. It is also important to be transparent as you work with lender for a loan. They will want to know exactly why you need it and how you plan to use it, whether it is for everyday expenses or to support your business structure. You can apply for a loan with bank, non-profit, micro lender, online lender, the small business administrator. You can also get a business term loan. This can help pay for one-time investment for your operator. They are similar to student loan or a mortgage, offering repayment over a period of time in equal installment. You can get this loan from bank. Before you request online financing, writing a business plan is good idea. Your business plan should be able to offer information like your financing number, growth plan, mission statement, product and services, company's leadership and team. 4. Catch the attention of an angel investor. These lenders are also known as private investor and can offer your startup the capital it needs to get off the ground, but it comes with a catch. Angel investing works by offering your money in exchange for a stake in your company. This improves your chances of being successful, but you will lose some control over your company. This is because angel investor will want to help make you business decision. They will also receive a portion of the profit if you sell your company. If this trade-off still sound good to you, and then your next step to catch their attention. To do this, you will need a clear business plan to that outline in the market opportunity for your product and potential for your company growth. It is also important to well versed in your marketing and PR strategy as well as your startup financing number. Some of the best way to find angel investor can be through networking. You can also go through online service like the Angel Invest Capital Association or use LinkedIn to find them.